Hey everyone, uh, welcome to Simple Tech YouTube channel. Thank you for joining us today, and I'd like to inform you that this is our first video, our first training, and I'm promising you guys that we are going to be dropping more trainings, more video on our channel. Trainings on Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, PowerPoint, Photoshop, CorelDRAW, HTML, CSS, many tutorial that you can just go through, and it's going to be of benefit to you. So I'll be very happy if you can subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking on the button, the subscribe button below. Thank you very much. Well, today we're going to be treating the introduction to Microsoft Word, as you can see on my screen. How Microsoft Word is being used, the processing of Microsoft Word, the formatting, the names of some tools, toolbar, and everything on Microsoft Word. All right, thank you very much. Well, as you can see here, I have on my screen the Word 2016. I'm going to be having this tutorial using the Word 2016. You shouldn't be confused if you're using the Word 2017, 18, or any other version of Word. Everything we are doing here is going to be, we're going to explain everything in line of all the Microsoft Word, whatever version you are using. So just kindly calm down and follow the tutorial. Well, I would like you guys to know that the first thing to understand about Microsoft Word is the W icon on the application. How to identify the icon? Let me just put it that way. Identifying the icon of Microsoft Word is by the W letter on this application, and the Microsoft Word color is always white and blue. It's always white and blue. And in some cases, you don't have the application on your desktop. You can easily navigate to your search box and type Microsoft Word. If you have the application on your computer is going to bring it out for you, just like this. I have a Microsoft Word 16. Let me type it complete. Fine. I have Microsoft Word 15 here. I can easily click on it, and the computer will take me straight to Microsoft Word. So, and well, you don't need to be confused, because in some cases we have PowerPoint is a bit similar to this Microsoft Word, and the Word Excel, the Microsoft Excel. So let me show you how the PowerPoint looks like. Yeah, the design of the icon is the same thing. The only difference about the PowerPoint and Excel and Word is the color and the letter that is printed on the application. On the PowerPoint, you have a P letter, while on the Word we have W letter, and the Word is white and blue, while PowerPoint is white and maroon, or white and red. The same thing is also applicable to Excel. Microsoft Excel is always X letter is always printed on the application, and it is mostly white and green. The color of the application is mostly white and green. So we don't need to get confused or be missing or taking Microsoft Word for Microsoft PowerPoint. Well, again, one last thing is in some cases that you're working with Microsoft Word 2010 or a later version, a newer version, Microsoft Word maybe 2021, the applications are the same. The logo is the icon is the same also. The only difference can be the size of the W, or I think, yeah, the position of the W, where you have the W on the icon, or the size of the W. But the W letter is always printed on the icon, and the color is always white and blue. So I want you guys to understand. So easily, after you have your computer booted to the desktop, just look for your Microsoft Word on your computer and click on it to open. Now we wait for it to open. All right. Well, this is showing because my Microsoft Word has not yet been activated, so you can just close this one easily. So here we have recent documents here. These are the documents I have been working on before. working on children and young adult Jesse and so much like that. So I can easily click on anyone if I want to edit what I've been working on, or I want to do something else on what I've been working on before. So I can easily click on anyone here to get back to the document. So, but and also if I don't have the document here, probably maybe I've worked on this document since last year and I can't find it on the recent file here, I can easily click on open another document to look for the document on my computer. So that's that. And here we have a blank document for a new document entirely. I don't have any document I want to work on. I want to create this document newly. So I can easily click on this blank document. And the Microsoft Word used to suggest some document samples for us. In case you're connected to the internet, you'll find different samples of documents here. You have a business type of document, card, flyer, letters, education, resume, all in there. Any type of document you want to work on. For example, let's say I want to work on a business document. I can find any I can find different samples there. Just click on this one to have your cover page. Then subsequently, you can start editing and do whatever you want to do on it. I can choose to, let's say, I want to create a resume or cover letter or my CV. So you can find different plenty of samples of resume here suggested by the Microsoft. So, but for today, we are going to be working on a blank document, explain to ourselves a blank document, how to use a blank document from the beginning, how to start Microsoft Word from scratch. So to do that, we are going to click on the blank document. Just click on it once. All right. This is Microsoft Word. This is the interface, the desktop face of Microsoft. So well, we are going to explain to ourselves the each items, each icon on this desktop. Yeah, I have the save icon. The save icon is used in saving your documents. It's easier when you're typing something, just type and you can easily take your mouse to this place and click on it to save. This one is used in undoing whatever you've done. For example, I typed the boy is black, let me just say, on the screen, and I want to undo what I've just typed. I can just click on undo to undo that. Again, to undo that. Again, just keep clicking on the undo to delete everything you you don't want on the screen. And if you want to redo it, probably maybe you made a mistake on doing what you've typed, you can easily click on this redo to bring back whatever you've typed. So that's that. Here is a print preview. If you want to print your document after typing, you can click on this place. It's going to show you exact way that the printer is going to bring it out after typing. The document one, blah blah blah. Here is the name. That's the default name of the computer. Sorry, the default name of my document right now. So if I should save my document with a different name, then this document one is going to change to the current name that I'll be saving it as. Here we have ribbon. This one is displaying the the ribbon options. If I click on the up, then it's going to if I click on auto hide, show tabs or show tabs and command, this one is going to hide everything. I can click on it again, show tabs is going to bring the tabs back. And if I click on it to show tabs and command, then everything is going to come back. So it's very easy. Some people like to work using hiding the tab. Some people like to work hiding the command, but I like to work with everything on display so I can easily do whatever I want to do. Here is to minimize my screen. Here is to maximize my screen after minimizing it, and here is to close the document. Here we have the scroll to scroll up and to scroll down by the right hand side of your screen. Scroll down, scroll up. Here we have the zoom in, zoom out easily. If you want to zoom in your screen or zoom out your document, but mostly we is by default it's good to work on 100% so you can easily see what you're working on. Here is the web view, how the web layout, how it's going to look like when you post it to the web or whatever. Here is the read mode. If you want to read it only, then it's going to come up like a read mode. So here is the print layout. Mostly we work using the print layout. That's the best way to work. Thank you very much. Well, I'll pause the video for now. Then in the next video, I'm going to continue with the purpose, the use of this file, the home, the insert design, layout, reference, and all. So um, kindly switch to the next video to continue with the tutorial with us. Thank you very much, and have a wonderful